In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up OneDrive and back up your files on Windows 11. Let's dive right into it. To start, look for the OneDrive cloud icon in your system tray. If you're not familiar with it, the system tray is typically located on the bottom right corner of your screen, where you see the time and some running app icons. Clicking on the OneDrive icon will open a small menu box with several options concerning your OneDrive account. Once you have the OneDrive menu open, go ahead and click on Settings. This is your gateway to customizing how OneDrive operates on your device. Now find and select Settings again. This second settings section is where you can make changes to how OneDrive behaves, from syncing your files to managing your backups. Next, navigate to the Sync and Backup tab. This area is essential for configuring backup settings and ensuring that your important files are safely stored on the cloud. In this tab, click on Manage Backup. This is where you can choose what folders you want to back up continuously to OneDrive. Once you're in the Manage Backup section, you'll see toggles for specific folders. To back up folders, simply toggle on the folders you want to be included. This could be your documents, pictures, or any other crucial folder on your computer. If you decide at any point you no longer want a folder backed up, you can toggle it off. This flexible feature allows you to tailor what gets automatically backed up according to your needs. After selecting the folders you want to back up, don't forget to click Save Changes. This will ensure that all the toggles you've set will be stored, and OneDrive will start backing up those folders as per your preferences. If you wish to sync specific folders apart from general backup settings, you'll need to access the Account tab. Here, you'll find the option Choose Folders. Clicking this will present you with a list of folders, allowing you to individually check or uncheck the folders you want to sync with OneDrive. Syncing is great for quickly accessing specific files across devices while keeping the rest off the cloud, if that's your preference. Lastly, remember to click OK to confirm your folder choices for syncing. That wraps up the setup. By following these instructions, you should have a fully functional OneDrive setup, ensuring your files are backed up and accessible whenever you need them. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit the like button if you found this helpful.